Welcome back to our exploration of the legal world. In our last session, we established a basic understanding of what law is and why it's essential for society. Today, we are going to discuss the different types of law that make up our legal systems. Broadly speaking, law can be categorized into several key areas. Criminal law. This branch of law deals with offenses against society as a whole. Criminal acts such as theft, assault, or murder are considered harmful not only to the individual victim but also to the community well-being and safety. When someone breaks a criminal law, the government acting on behalf of society prosecutes the offender. Punishments can range from fines to imprisonment. Civil law. Unlike criminal law, civil law focuses on disputes between individuals or organizations. These disputes can involve a wide range of issues including contracts, property, family matters, and personal injury. The goal of civil law is not to punish the wrongdoer but to compensate the injured party for their losses. This is usually done through monetary damages or court orders requiring specific action. Public law. This category of law governs the relationship between the government and its citizens. It encompasses areas like constitutional law, administrative law, and tax law. Public law ensures that the government operates within the bounds of the constitution, follows proper procedures in its action, and fairly administers public programs and services. Private law. In contrast to public law, private law deals with the rights and obligations of individuals and organizations in their interactions with each other. It covers areas like contract law, property law, and tort law. Private law allows individuals to enforce their rights and seek remedies when those rights are violated. It's important to note that these categories are not always clear-cut. Some legal issues can fall under multiple types of law. For example, a drunk driving incident could lead to both criminal charges for the offense itself and a civil lawsuit for any injuries caused to others. Understanding the different types of law is crucial for anyone navigating the legal system. Whether you are seeking justice for a personal injury, facing criminal charges, or simply trying to understand your rights and obligations in a contract, knowing which type of law applies is the first step towards resolving your legal issue.